Rosarito Ensenada bike ride. This event actually takes place twice a year. It's been going on for 34 years. This is the 34th anniversary of the event. Super family oriented. As the days get warmer and hotter here in Ensenada, you're going to find more and more fun activities. And this is one of them. One to introduce the end of spring, beginning of summer, and another to introduce the end of fall.
The original Party on Wheels. Come and experience the 50-mile bike ride across the Pacific coastline and through the inner fields of Rosarito Beach to Ensenada. Its history dates back since 1979, when a couple of friends tracked the Ensenada-Rosarito freeroad and figured out that it was about 50 miles long. As one of the most popular biking events in the world, it goes on twice a year, once in April and once in September. With participants ages 9 to 70, it's a great event for the whole family to enjoy.
Safety isn't an issue. How to get back isn't an issue. Party isn't an issue. Family-oriented activities is not an issue. You have no more excuses. Feeling a little tired after your ride down from Rosarito? There's plenty of options. You can get a really nice massage, there's music, and of course, later on, there'll be drinks. I can say souvenir time. Souvenir time.
Gracias, muchas gracias. Nos vemos en el siguiente paseo.
To conclude our video on the Rosarito Ensenada bike ride, we're just gonna show you some of the things that you can do while you're around here. As you see, the party just got bigger and bigger while time went by. All the official times and those people, the 3 official people that got here to Ensenada first, the fastest riders, were 2 hours and 20 minutes. Anyone needing a hitch ride back to Rosarito, they have official transportations for the event. So pretty much your weekend for the Rosarito Ensenada bike ride can be fantastic. Just come down to Ensenada, whether on a bicycle, whether by boat, walking, whatever you want. But join us next 2 weeks on Ensenada.com.